wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between restoration and repair. Now, some people might think of the topic and say, well, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? But to some people it is not. And there's a perception, I guess, when we do the work that we do on wood, whether it's wood siding, whether it's a deck, whatever, that we also include repairs. Repairs are something that's different than restoration. So restoration and repair are definitely two different things. So let's talk about it a little bit. We'll start with restoration. Here we are on our training deck where we train and teach people how to do wood restoration. And basically restoration is where we take the old grade wood, and we take this old grade wood and we want to restore it. So what we do is we use a cleaner, we bring up the natural color of the wood, put on a brightener, and really bring back that natural tone and color. And that's what we do when we get this grade wood. We did the same thing on the railing behind me. We take it from here and we make it stained and we restored it. Over here we take the grade wood and then we have the stained wood over here, so we restored the wood. This is restored restoration. Nothing to do with repairs. Repairs usually are not included in restoration. Repairs are where you actually replace boards, sections of boards, and so forth. Okay, so now that we've talked about restoration and exactly what that is, we'll go into repair. But just to kind of summarize, restoration is where restoration is taking something from a previous state and make it to a like new state, or restoring the look. So we take that old grade wood, that old grade look, and restore it to a nice, natural, beautiful look. That's restoration. All right, let's go talk about some repairs. All right, so now we'll talk about repairs. Now, repairs can be a lot of things. One thing is we always tell people is you can't repair rot. If something is rotted, you don't repair it, you actually replace it. Okay, so you can't repair rot. I know some people try to put putty and wood putty and all kinds of stuff. If it's something rotted, it's going to rot, it's going to pop, it's going to come out again. Rot has to be replaced. Now, in regards to repairs, if a board has a crack in it or something, it has to be replaced. If there's something structural is an issue, that has to be replaced. So repairs are usually different than our restoration. And what we mean by that, so everybody understands, and if you're asking your contractor or someone to do the work, make sure you define the difference between restoration and repair and what your expectation is and what you want done. But some typical repairs are a cracked board on a deck, cedar siding that's split. You get cedar shakes, whether it's on the siding of the house or on the roof. If they're split, old, damaged, if you can squeeze them, they're no good, then that means that they need to be replaced. You can't fix something like that. That is a repair or replacement. Same thing with broken lattice. We get that a lot. It could be the landscapers, it could be animals, rabbits, anything that, groundhogs, whatever, that are getting in and so forth underneath the lattice and so forth. They're repairs. So usually what you want to ask for when you're calling or asking about the work that has to be done on your deck or wood siding, fence, anything, is the difference between repair, restoration, and ask them, to include exactly what you want. So repairs and restoration. There's a lot of companies that only do restoration and they don't do repairs. There's handymen that'll do repairs, may not do the staining. Most of them will. Usually the people who do repairs may do your staining and restoration. So if you're looking for just restoration, you might find that through a pressure washing company, a painter, a handyman, a host of different people that may do restoration type stuff. When I say restoration too, I also mean restoring the wood, not just painting over it. So restoration. And they may not do repairs, so you may want to ask that when you call for an estimate in regards to the repairs. For me, we have a company and we do restoration and repairs. We do building as well. So when somebody calls us, we make sure we define that and let them know that we also do the repairs in-house as well. We just feel that's part of the service that we want to offer. So we do all this kind of stuff. So the difference between repairs and restoration should be pretty clear. Restoration, we take something from an older state, grade, nasty looking, restore it to more of a like new or a beautiful condition. Repairs, taking something that's damaged, cracked, warped, rotted, and repair, replacement. All right, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and hopefully this video helps you out in the difference between restoration and repair.